Okay, 8.4. This one is kind of like a bunch of logic for this section. So I'm going to tell you some properties of isosceles and equilateral triangles so that you can find lengths and angles, but it's going to be like, oh, I know this, so fill in this. Now that I know this, fill in that. So just some key things. Triangles add up to make 180, so boom, 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 makes 180. Isosceles triangles are when you have two sides that are equal and two angles that are equal. We don't know anything about that third side or angle though. Equilateral is when all three sides are equal and all three angles are congruent. And you know that because they add up to make 180, these have to be 60 degrees. And that goes there and there. You don't know anything about the sides though, just that they're equal. So, just filling in some logic here. We have in number 1, we have this side is equal to this side, which means this angle is equal to that one. So we know this has to be 63. We also have a vertical angle, so this equals this. So we're going to move, let's keep it the same color, that 63 over here. Okay, next up we have another isosceles triangle, so those two sides mean these are congruent. And now that we have 2 out of 3 angles here, we're going to add them all up. So 63 plus 63 plus x equals that 180. So 126 plus x equals 180 minus the 126. We get x equaling 54 degrees. That's it. Super easy. Let's look at number 2. Again, it's just using logic. So notice here, if you were to rotate this shape, let's see, we have this. Those are equal, those are equal. So if you rotate this, we have a square. What do we know about opposite sides of a square? They equal each other. So 8 equals 2x plus 26. So we're going to subtract the 26 to get negative 6. Oops, not 16. Negative 18. Then we're going to divide the 2. So we get x equals negative 9. Super easy problems. Use your logic. Think through them. Make sure you do all of the problems on the homework so you've seen every type of scenario that comes up, because they're all so randomly different. It's hard to create a bunch of example problems in here, so make sure you see them all on the homework.